Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Revolut on phone. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Revolut app and tap on Cards. From there, choose the option to get a virtual card. This is very easy to set up. All you need to do is click Get Card, select whether you'd like a physical or virtual card, and choose a color. The app will then create this card for you. Next, navigate to your phone settings and look for the Wallet section. Once you're in Wallet, tap to add a card. It will prompt you to select either debit or credit. Here, select debit. You'll have the option to either scan your card or enter the card details manually. Start by entering your card number, which you can copy directly from the Revolut app and paste it in. Then, enter the expiry date and CVV. Once you've filled in these details, click Next to add your Revolut virtual card to your phone. Now, when you're ready to pay at a supermarket or any location that accepts mobile payments, simply double tap, and you'll see your virtual card ready to go. And that's it. This is how you pay with Revolut on your phone. The link to sign up to Revolut is in the description. Make sure you check it out.